got here? Amazing fit and finish.
It does look like it's underheader, doesn't it?
Oh yeah,
I didn't notice that in the video so much.
It's very much like that. Look at how gorgeous that is. Their quality's just amazing. Yeah. So what we want to do, though, if I remember right, is it has, yeah. Look at that baffle.
Oh.
We'll take that out. That's the EU compliant part of it, that little stinger. So we'll take this off, we'll pull that out. Yeah, there's a much more realistic baffle.
Wow, wow.
Cool, nice stout bracket.
Boy, that is nice.
Yeah. Look at the welds.
Oh, I mean, it's
that
just
thing
absolutely
itself.
perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is first class. It doesn't get any better.
Just awesome. Yeah, look at the fit and finish of that. Look at all these, just beautiful. RedThunder, baby. Being that they're from Italy, these might be metric, I don't know. They're metric.
So do they just specialize in exhaust, Paul, or do they make other custom parts?
RedThunder just makes these and a couple other different styles of exhaust pipes.
Specialize in exhaust.
All for Harley Davidson, I think. I'm not 100% sure of that, but I'm pretty sure. But their partner in this company makes really fine exhaust systems for Ducatis and a lot of different European motorcycles and stuff. Yeah, they have a great reputation. Alrighty. I think we'll open that up a little bit. What do you think? You see their little EU compliant?
Oh, nice. That caused some back pressure for sure.
I bet this thing sounds like it's farting.
Probably.
Sounds like a moped or something.
I want to be able to hear my bike riding next to you on your Yaffe Star.
Right.
You were very kind riding on the left side.
Yeah, right.
Or you were riding on
the
right side where we're going out.
Are you talking about on the RT?
Yeah, a couple weeks ago we went to the
on my 93, yeah.
Helmet on it all.
Yeah. There you go. That's a. Ever seen a baffle that looks like that?
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy? Look at that baffle in there. That is incredibly unique.
Hey, Myra, how you doing? You good?
Morning, Jaden.
What you guys playing with?
We're playing with
RedThunder.
RedThunder exhaust.
Pipe on here?
This thing's beautiful.
Stainless?
Dude, look at the fit on that, man.
Yeah.
It's just, look at that.
Just took it
Look
down.
at the baffle in there.
Main baffle. That's cool.
Isn't that
This
crazy?
is what was in there.
Yeah, that's the EU compliant moped
Sure.
moped
Yeah,
pipe.
1 inch.
Yeah, and it's funny. This thing's labeled the DB killer.
Was that right?
So I don't even know if we want either one of those in there, but we'll find out. So. Super careful with those. That works. What's up, dude?
I'm gonna go bend some handlebar uprights.
Okay, why don't you go bend some handlebar uprights?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. Beautiful. What's the difference? Oh, one has a tail light hole in it. Street light. Yeah.
Street light. And then the studs and the other thing too.
Studs and the other thing.
You do with the bolt kit.
Oh, it's up here. Oh, that's why they slot that. That makes sense. And until Phil didn't want to do anything permanent until I told him I hate it.
Oh, just like a little plastic one. And you're like your orangey guy. This sucker.
Air bearings just stay plain down, right?
Being in a band with good things. It was my prime, dude. It was it.
That's all been downhill from there.
85 Dodge Ram.
Smelled amazing inside.
It was our neighbors had a painting company.
Who was the most angry person you knew? Oh, he's the drummer.
They ended up going on for like bigger stuff.
Sure, should have said it on there. It's gonna make you huge.
pretty cool looking pipe. The fit and finish is fantastic. Who needs knuckles? Here goes nothing.